I seriously just woke up. But today is the day, people. Just getting ready. No, I'm not quite sure what I'm doing here, but thank God my dad's helping me. Apparently there has been no coolant water for some time. Antifreeze. Ew. Quarter way to my destination, and I just realized all the effort I put into making that freaking sign. I left it at home. So I made it safely to Sydney. The traffic was a little bit busy, but just thank God that I'm here safely. I just can't wait to see my surprise. Just can't wait. Anyways, he's lost a lot of weight from doing the Godzilla. And we're going to get something to eat now. Sorry, I didn't really plan this vlog because I was just too excited, too nervous, and just really feel really sorry for my husband. He's lost a lot of weight, but it's alright, he's still good looking, I still love him. And it was so funny. So like, as you could see in the vlog, people were coming out of there with their trolleys. All of a sudden I see this skinny ass guy carrying the box. I felt so sorry for him. I just wanted to run up and hug him.
Yeah, cây đẹp vô công kia kia baby mẹ ngộ vô lót chứ. Mà mau còn bên ngâu sầu mấy ạ. Vậy xe không ngờ bên ngâu sầu.
Esse. Our first stop was here at Sizzlers. Yummy. The beef burger, chicken grilled. What did you get, babe? I got changed because it's a little bit cold in Canberra, even though it's a little bit hot here in Sydney. We stopped off at Sizzlers and we had something to eat. It was quite delicious. And we're on our way home now. We're about 2.5 hours away in Campbelltown. And I'm just so happy. I'm so blessed that my husband's here. It's been a long, long, long journey. Big testimony. So we have so much to thank God for. So thank you, Lord. Oh, thanks, babe.
Alo vợ. Giờ đâu bộ mày mèo lộ giấy triệu cô rùa đấy. Để văng căng như hùi ska đi. Cái giấy đây đi yêu công phía mình mà lăng ai vậy. Xem mèo bố lên. Vì ngay phá phụ yêu ký vậy. Nhớ. Về qua mà ai sinh mẹ ai ô vare mô lên luôn vợ. Mà cái giờ vợ không sao rồi. I free. It's free đâu anh. Nó quá phê kì. Rồi sao? Nhà đây là công phía mình mà phá kasi mình chịu cô đua đấy. Vào mama anh. Sekarang aku ngaku papapong sekarang nga ngayon fare sa iyo ako yon meron yan ko inga ma belum kuat.
We're almost home, guys. Our first pit stop at the Bumble. Isn't it just wonderful? Isn't it just lovely? Isn't it just lovely, babe?
Phía đấy à?
So we're at the last Bumble on our way to Canberra. And I'm just so excited to have my husband here forever. Baby, sing it, play out. Hey everyone!
Marungu fa pai ka nga. Memang kau melasa mo. Oh buyo sama wala ko asyo eh. Wala ko sa bayasyo eh di ba.
We just saw someone pissing on the side of the road. We came home to this lovely man awaiting us with this sign. Sorry for the quality, I'm using my husband's phone because my phone's dead.
Qua này kia đều rồi ngoài đấy nhiều bé đây cái có kia đó nếu qua bài béo không phải phải
Cat comes out with the sign. Night is still going on, so we went to drop off everything and then we came to get some pizza. Apparently we were supposed to have a family dinner, but no one's making it, so I don't know what's going on, but we came to get some pizza. How are you liking it? Are you so cold?
Yeah.
I'm just so happy my husband's here. It's the best thing ever.